Another day, another adventure.
Nee, dat is het.
Today, the operation station says we're going
To
here.
pizza.
And then we're gonna do some diving from the beach. So, let's see what we find. So, I lost my GoPro. My GoPro Hero 5 that I had for 1 year. All the memories together, all the shots we did. May he rest in peace. But I guess that's the life with an action camera, so now I have a good excuse to buy the Hero 7. Don't complain about that. But the problem is I lost the footage on it as well. And all the footage from the diving. So, and I had some really good footage. But what can you do? Luckily we still have the footage from Knut's camera, so let's just show that.